Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how you can create perfect half-lap miter joints on your table saw like this, using only your standard crosscut sled and a combination square. The first thing we need to do is to cut our pieces to length, and this is important. I'm just going to cut 2 pieces to show you how this works, but if you're making a square frame or something, you can cut 4 equal pieces. Okay, so now I have my 2 pieces of wood here. I need to set the blade height halfway through the stock. Now I'm just going to use my combination square, take off the ruler, and you just put the piece on the blade groove like this. And you push the combination square until you have a 45 degrees. Okay, so now you have your first cut like this. Now you need to remove this material here. On my second piece I'm going to use a stop block. I'm going to measure the width right there. I'm just going to remove all the material out like this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to remove. Okay, so now I'm going to do my final cut on the second piece. Just going to use a piece of scrap wood. This. Just the blade, so it'll go all the way through. Like this, and just push it right up to the edge of the groove. Okay, so let's see how the pieces fit together. You have a little overhang here, so you need to cut that off. But you can see you have a perfect miter joint. Yes, that's good. Very nice.